Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about who will you marry and when are they like. So, this is not for those who are already married. So, this is for unmarried people. Who will you marry and when are they like, and about them, the person you will marry in future. So, there are three choices over here. I'm keeping the choices: lapis lazuli, citrine, and amethyst. Lapis lazuli, citrine, and amethyst. There are three options. You can choose any of these options. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Those who are new to my channel, thank you very much. Those who are old to my channel, all my old subscriber, thank you very much for supporting me till the time. About me, I am a psychic medium. I am a tarot reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively and I do tarot card reading with spirit guidance. About my bachelor's, I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland. That is on divine spirituality. And I also practice Reiki and Kabbalah. I'm a Kabbalah expert. I did Reiki. I learned Reiki from Oshishui Shehiki Rohoyo, Oshishui Reiki Master, and Karuna Reiki Master from ULC Chicago. I have also done Samhala Reiki and Rainbow Reiki and Crystal Reiki. I also know Angelic Reiki. Let me know if you want to learn that Angelic Reiki. I think I can do that. And about my experience, I have 14 years experience of healing and 8 years experience in tarot reading. So this is like who will you marry and when are they like, and what who the person about the person you will get married with. So there are three choices: lapis lazuli, citrine, and amethyst. Choose one among them and let's get started. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Let's get started with lapis lazuli. Those who choose lapis lazuli. This is a universe card and this is angels card. We will come to this at the end. Okay, so you guys are definitely the person with whom you will get married with. They are definitely in sun moon rising Aries, Leo, and Saggy, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. So Aries, Leo, Saggy energy, and Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn energy. um, these guys, they wear dark color clothes. The men or women you are going to get married with, they usually wear dark color clothes like black, navy blue, and maroon. So these are their favorite colors, like navy blue, black, maroon, and definitely the another color, firozi color. So I that is like dark green color. So they usually wear this four colors are their favorite color, or they wear those colors. And what is going to shock you, like this person in their family, or this particular person, they do practice magic. They know how to do manifestation, and some of them, they know how to do magic like spell work, or they, some of them are also healer, not totally into the darker side, like some of them are kind of a healer, so they know, or some of them like they know reiki or something like that, the healing process. So definitely these people are out of someone who are in healing or magic or practicing magic, or go to a magician or a healer on regular basis, or they learned reiki, or they learned healing and all those stuffs. And why that thing has happened? Because because of their inner child. I'm seeing that this person has they actually, they did not grow up with their parents, they were always distanced to their parents, and they were having this inner child issue. So when they grown up with their mom's brother, I'm hearing uncle, I'm hearing someone like cousins, with many cousins, and they grown up with their uncle, and some of them they grown up with they grown up in some hostel. So from that is from childhood, so they have some inner child issues. That's why they regularly visit to the healer or magician or somebody who does spell work. They believe in all those things, like they are basically, some of them are spiritual, and some of them they do go to a magician or those who practice dark magic. But no harm, they will not create any harm to you. So this person definitely has some inner child issues, and they wear definitely dark color clothes, like dark blue, navy blue, black, and dark green. And they could be artist, singer, or musician, makeup artist, beautician, fashion designer, interior decorator, or probably someone like YouTube artist or writer. So they could be any form of creativity. They are very serious about their work. They prefer work more than this romantic relationship or love relationship. So what I'm hearing, like they're very serious, and they feel responsible towards their family too. So it's going to be very tough or very hard for you, because they will never open to you, they will never open their heart to you. So you would be the one who has to dig their heart. But they are not bad people, let me tell you. I'm hearing that you guys are probably Libra, Aquarian, and Gemini energy. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy, Cancer, Pisces, and Aries energy. The name's first or last letter of the name would be this person's first letter, or last letter of the name would be CATINPSYRLF. So that would be first or last letter of the name. And I'm seeing this person, like their personality is some kind of reserve, and they actually move very slowly. So whenever you get married with this person, they will not fall in love quickly, and they will take lots of time to open their heart to you. But this person is definitely not a bad person, they will take care of you, and you and he will make, or she will make a very good happy family. Sun card and 10 of cups card. So I'm seeing that these things which like they are reserved for something that actually creates no harm. And this person could be a celebrity too, because they are from creative world. So I'm seeing that they could be a celebrity. They probably people, they recognize them, they know them. So they are some kind of that kind of person. But they are the reserved person, but they have good personality and they look good, and they would definitely someone who will take care of you very well. But yes, if you expect some romantic, pure, in-depth, romantic, intense relationship from this person is not the one. They are more focused towards their work. They feel responsible towards their work and family. This is going to be hard for you if you expect them to be very romantic towards you. Otherwise, this person is really good. Yes, if you leave that inner child issues or childhood trauma, rather than that, this person is definitely an awesome person. You will make an awesome family with this person. Your family life is great. When would you meet this person? Definitely you are going to meet this person in next 5 to 6 months, and this person would be meeting you in some concert or some event. I'm seeing some event will occur or either on social media, or it would occur physically, and you will go there and you will meet they meet this person somehow. So you haven't have met this person. For maximum of for majority of my viewers, you haven't met this person. He is yet to come, or she is yet to come. So he or she is not your ex boyfriend or ex girlfriend or current boyfriend or current girlfriend. That person is yet to come, and this person would enter in your life, um, probably by another 5 to 6 months. Yes, and they are actually from different city. They're not from the same city where you are living in. So you probably go to some concert or you will go to some events and you will meet this person. This person is very tall. Like, if a girl, then she has tall legs, like real long legs. I won't say tall, real long legs. And if you viewers are like a guy and looking for spouse, like, then she has long legs. And if this person is a man, then you guys are like, my viewers are like women and looking for their spouse, then this person is very tall, above 6 feet. So let's see what universe has to say about this. Allow your vision to expand and be open to the form it takes. You may discover that you were dreaming too small, or that what seemed like an obstacle is actually pointing you in a better direction. The universe always has your back. So nobody is coming from your past connection or your present connection. So I'm seeing that this person is basically a new person, so yet to discover. And you have to discover this person, you have to overcome your obstacles. There are many obstacles which you are going through, and because of that, universe is not able to give this person. So you have to overcome these obstacles, and then universe will right away take you to this person. My viewers, you need to work on this heart chakra and root chakra a lot. And I have made heart chakra and root chakras video, healing video. So don't tell me that, ma'am, please make heart chakra and root chakras video again. Expansion in your life. Yes, you have to explore a lot. When you will explore a lot, then only you will meet this person. Definitely, yes. So that's all about it, guys. Those who are my viewers, I'm telling you, you will need to subscribe my channel and keep commenting on my videos, below to my videos and below to my community page post, and you will get free reading on every week. And you also get this true bracelet. One bracelet is for career and one bracelet is for relationship. So relationship bracelet I'll give it to someone, and career bracelet I will give it to someone. So this bracelet is made of golden rose quartz, green aventurine and crystal quartz. These three things together make lots of difference in your relationship, and I will give reiki to this by your name and your partner's name. I'll active reiki, and let me tell you, crystal has a power to catch all the positive energy, also the negative energy, but it catches, or it it consumes positive energy very quick. So when I will give Reiki healing to this crystal by your name, so this will catch and consume all the Reiki energy into this. And definitely when you wear like this, so this will be touching to your skin, and you will continuously receiving the Reiki energy. So that's how it works. So for that you need to be my subscriber, and if you will go to someone and ask for with the Reiki energy and all those this bracelet, sorry, this bracelet, I think this anybody would charge 4 to 5 thousand to you. So you have a chance. 18th of September, I will announce one person name for this relationship bracelet. So have a chance. You have a chance. Grab it, and please subscribe my channel and keep posting comments below to my video and below to my community page post. Now for those who choose amethyst, let's get started. What is this is happening? Never happened like this. Some energy, some spirit trying to say something. Oh, someone's mother. She's not alive. Someone's mother. She is trying to tell me something. What is that? Okay. Someone Megha or Meghna, if you are listening to me, and if you're, I believe, um, your mother is no more, and she is sending you a message. So this is not for all Meghna or Megha. The particular one whose mother is not no more alive, and she is sending a message. I'm getting some message from a spirit, and the message is the particular person she's dating now, and this person will cause her harm, in fact trying to harm her or hurt her in some way. So this is a spirit guidance coming to me, or a spirit message. Meghna or Megha, let me know with whom about whom I'm talking to. Let me know about whom I'm talking to. Yes. So this is her mother's message. Oh. Okay. So let's get started. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising, definitely Libra, Aquarian, and Gemini. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisceans, and your companion or your spouse would be Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Again, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisceans. Gemini too. Gemini and Libra. They could be Gemini and Libra. Okay, so what I'm hearing now, this person really loves your partner, the person you will get married with. They really love to be with children. There's someone you can totally trust in, and a loyal, faithful person, never lie, But yes, their parents would keep lying to you and keep torturing you after marriage. That's there. I'm hearing, spirit is telling me. They would be dreaming about you all the time. After marriage they are kind of fall in love with you. And I feel that even before marriage, this is kind of a person like you will definitely go for love marriage, and you will meet this person and very quick, like this, within a month or two they will fall in love with you. They will start loving you, and they will start exploring you more and more, and they will get to know you. As much they get to know you, they would be in love with you. So there is a third party, and you need to overcome that person. Definitely there would be some issues when you start looking for this person and start dating this person. There would be a third party who will try to create some issues. But that third party is all about karmic. They are not soulmate. You are kind of a soulmate to him or her. That third party will leave. You need to actually fight with this third party, and this third party will leave. I'm hearing that some of you guys are like already met this person, and there is a third party situation, and you need to fight. Universe is saying that you need to fight with this third party and throw her or him off from their life. Definitely this person is currently juggling here and there, like towards third party sometimes and towards you. But why these things is happening, like this person is not towards that third party. But this is just because of their family don't want you. So probably the person you are dating now, your current boyfriend or girlfriend or partner, or just you just broke up, or you are in separation. So that particular person you will get married with. They fell in love as soon as they met you, like within a month or two. You both were in love. You both are emotional towards each other, but I'm seeing this, you have kind of a bad luck with this person. This person said no to you, like on upfront on your face, like no, I cannot marry you. Oh, this person has many different watches in their collection. Some of them have many different varieties of sunglasses. Some of them have a very odd hobby, kind of collecting coins, uh, collecting currencies from different countries. They fly a lot to some other country. They go to Bangkok, sometimes they go to China, they go to New Zealand. And I'm seeing someone had a recent trip in New Zealand. Recent means that is in past recent trip. Yes. So currently, this person is kind of flatlining you, but I can assure you that this person would definitely come back to you. They would not corner you. So this time, this third party is there, but you need to fight with this third party. You are the one who can actually throw off the third party from his or her life. This person doesn't like this third party. They are somehow, these things are happening just because of their family. Their family is kind of forcing them to have this third party getting married to this third party, but they actually don't want this third party. So you need to fight with this third party, and I think this third party is kind of gone as soon as you will enter in this picture. So you are kind of becoming very lazy on this, like you are like, okay, so he left me or she left me, so let them go. I'm not going to chase them. But this is not the case here. Here I would say that chase them, at least like for some times, because this person is not bad. They really love you. They're obsessed, kind of obsessed about you. They want to marry you, but these things are happening just because of their family. I'm hearing some of you guys, they you like fresh lilies or fresh um, roses, that is pink color roses, and you go lot of the time you just buy those roses or fresh lilies, and while coming back home from your work, someone's mother is kind of a diabetic patient. I'm seeing this lady is buying all diabetes medicines. Yes, all diabetes medicine from some shop that's on Friday. She bought this on Friday. Let me know about whom I'm like. I'm just constantly hearing from spirit, and I'm telling you guys. So please let me know about whom I'm talking. So, however, this man definitely a good-looking man, and they work as an like they are working as financial analyst, finance background, banking sector, mortgage sector, any of the bank, investment banker, or economist professor, or somebody like who teaches maths, billing analyst, so something like that, payroll analyst, HR payroll analyst. Also this person has some kind of energy, like they are from law, judicial, judge background. Some of guys are like scientist, very high level scientist who invents rocket science or something like that. Okay, so that's all about you. So here, what angels are trying to tell you, that you need to active your spiritual life. Your spiritual life is kind of not activated, and your throat chakra and third eye chakra is kind of totally blocked, imbalanced. So you need to open your throat chakra and third eye chakra. You are not able to think positively. That's why you are unable to throw out this third party or cut off this third party from your life. As soon you will enter in their life, and with full confidence, and like, hey, I am in and you need to go out, so that third party will go. But you are unable to do that because your throat chakra and third eye chakra are kind of imbalanced. And what is your suggestion card? Your greatest relationship is the one you have with yourself. Build it, strengthen it, praise yourself, share what makes you proud. Your beaming delight will help others shift from glass half empty thinking to heck, I'm pretty awesome too. So, your personal strength are gone somewhere. You have many qualities, but you really cannot praise them because of your this kind of things, like imbalance of third eye chakra and throat chakra. So you are unable to communicate clearly. So whatever you communicate, people understand in different way. So that's kind of a problem, just because of these things, like because of this imbalancing of throat chakra and third eye chakra. So I will ask you to go for healing, because this card actually for healing. So go for 3 to 4 days throat chakra, third eye chakra, or 7 days throat chakra, third eye chakras healing. So I think in that way you can, once you are healed, you can communicate with this person properly, and a clear communication will happen, and this person will go off, this third party will go off from your connection. So you guys has this letters, the your spouse letters is like YAELDBMGH P T. So within this, your person's first or last letter of the name. I told you the occupation and the looks and everything. So let me know. I told about a couple of people, so let me know who all are watching, and watching among them, and who about whom I'm talking to, talking about. Okay, so I want to tell you guys something about the giveaway. I am actually giving free reading on every week. that is 2 to 3%. All you need to do, subscribe my channel. This is only for my subscribers. And then you need to actually write down comments below to the videos, and that's all. Like, write down comments below to the videos, and also below to the community page. Okay, so let's get started with this citrine. Okay, guys, I'm giving a free giveaway of this two bracelet. One is this one, the rose quartz, green aventurine, and crystal quartz. These three all together makes awesome relationship. Like, once you wear this energy will keep going to your through your hand. It will go your to go to your chakras and to make your heart chakra strong and connected with the person you love. And on top of that, I will give the Reiki energy. So actually crystal absorbs all the positive energy very quick, so it would have Reiki healing energy too. So if you will go to someone and ask for this kind of bracelet with the Reiki energy, they would definitely charge you 4,000 bucks. But I'm here saving your 4,000 rupees, and I would tell you that kindly take the participate on this contest. And this one is for career. The same way it also works very well for career. And I would give Reiki energy by your name. So participate on that. 18th of September, I would announce who is winning this and who is winning that. And also I am offering free reading session on every week for two people. Those who are my Instagram followers, Saturday I do Instagram reading, one question free reading on every Saturday. That is at 9 10 to 11, between 9 10 to 11, only for the first five people. Those who comment, those who ask on the comment section, only for first five people. So let's get started. Wow, I'm hearing someone who works in hospital. So your person, your future spouse would be like, definitely working in hospital or police or army. So they are doing lots of work related humanity. A very, very good looking person. This person is going to be totally focused on society, not at all focused on love relationship, anything. They are like totally focused on society or humanity. They do lots of things for humanity. For them, everything is all about helping others. Definitely a Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Cancer energy. Definitely Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Cancer energy. Leo. Oh, you will meet this person in some restaurant, and somewhere in some fair, like in India it's called Mela, like fair or book fair or exhibition. This kind of events like restaurant, book fair, exhibition, social gathering, or through a friend. I'm seeing mm, I'm seeing there like some of your friend would be start pinning on this person, but at last this person would be ending to you. So even your even their like even your friend, they will start pinning this person, and they would like to date this one, your companion or partner, or I mean to say your future spouse, but they will end up with you. I'm hearing this person is kind of short heighted, like 5'8", 5'9". They love music, Probably you already met them, like I'm seeing some of you guys already met them, or you are going to meet them. So your friend kind of start leaning on this person, but you, this person would like you. They like a simple person, and you, my viewers, you guys are really simple person. Like you, I'm seeing that you even you are very scared to even wear deep color lipsticks, like red color, deep maroon or red colored lipstick. You just wear a neutral color or nude color lipstick just because you don't want to look very shiny in front of other people. You guys are going to marry very quick, like just 6 months to 8 months you guys are going to get married with each other. Your name, the person's name starts with definitely RLGTSVIW, and your name probably starts with PNDREG. Some of you guys are your like your person's date of birth would be something like number 7, 25 and 16, number 8, 26 and 17, number 5, 23 and 14, number 30, 31. Bottom line is, like, here there is a third party occurs over here. The third person actually comes in between, and that would be kind of your friends, or that person, but you have to overcome this person. And in fact, I'm seeing that you don't have to overcome this person, because this person, your future spouse, is not going to choose them. They will choose you over them. So that's a good news. Knight of Wands, this person is very good looking and very young person, enthusiastic person, and they are very passionate, but they are not that passionate about love, but they are passionate about the society, helping others. So if you are looking for a romantic date from this person, or you want them to be romantic, I really don't think so. So you have to be absolutely, you have to be a charity person. Like, you have to go for charity, do a good social work, then only this person is going to like you. So if you dream about someone is taking you to Switzerland and having a romantic for 15 days holidays or honeymoon, so that's not going to happen here. Oh, some of you guys you guys have throat infection. Keep having throat infection like me, but I'm doing this 3 4, making this 3 4 videos in a day. But for you guys, why you guys are having this throat infection? Throat chakra. Focus on throat chakra. Yes, there is a communication card. So throat chakra. See, I'm getting this vision. Solar plexus chakra. Definitely, whatever you wish, you are unable to fight for that. So here, but your some of your known person or friend would try for this person, like uh, they will be pinning on this person, and they would be kind of behind this person all the time, and you have to actually fight with them. And your energy looks like you are the loyal one, but you cannot speak much. So you have to speak with this person, you have to share your thoughts, your feeling with this person. This person is willing to choose you over your friend, but how would he or she will know that you like them? Good point. And you have this throat chakra issue, so you won't be able to express your feelings to them. They like simple people, and you are truly simple person. You are truly simple person. Let's see what universe has to say. Anyway, angel said that you have to heal your throat chakra and solar plexus chakra and heart chakra. All these three chakras are imbalanced. Oh, are you carrying around regret? Is there a relationship that needs healing, but you just don't know what to say? Give your pride a rest and simply start with I am sorry. Take responsibilities and acknowledge your role in the situation. Apologize for them and for you, then let it go and be happy, proud of yourself. Making amends isn't easy, but it's a huge leap forward on your spiritual path. Bravo. Wow. So basically, what I have to say about this connection is like, I believe this person, this man or woman already approach you for um, love, and you are kind of, you saw your friend is kind of feeling on them, and then you are kind of, no, I am not willing to talk to you, or I'm not willing to take you in a consideration. And you have this feelings that you are already regretting in your inner soul, but you are unable to communicate because you have this throat chakra issues, heart chakra issues, solar plexus chakra issues. Altogether, solar plexus chakra is not allowing you to tell you the your entire feelings to this person, and this person is upset, you are upset. Apologize them, tell them I'm sorry and I really love you. So that's all about it. You guys are getting married pretty quickly, and I believe within this 30 days, next 30 days, you are going to communicate with this person. Just heal yourself with my healing video of text or call. Will you get text or call for healing, free healing session for call or text? Do that and communicate with them within 30 days, otherwise you would be too late. That's all I can tell you. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please participate in free reading session and giveaway. And thank you, hopefully you like my reading. And to book my reading, 9953214108, only WhatsApp, and my timings is IST, Indian Standard Time, 1:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Sorry, 1:30 p.m. to, yes, 1:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Thank you, have a blessed day, God bless you.